Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of AI ovens. Yeah, you heard that right, AI ovens. These aren't your grandma's ovens. They're packed with sensors, cameras, and smarts to help you cook like a pro. We'll be highlighting the top AI ovens on the market, discussing both their positives and negatives. From sleek designs to innovative features, we'll break down what makes each oven unique and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. So whether you're a tech-savvy foodie or just curious about the future of cooking, stick around to find out which AI oven might be the perfect fit for your kitchen. First up, we've got the June oven. This isn't just any ordinary oven. It's a smart, AI-powered culinary assistant designed to make your cooking experience seamless and enjoyable. This thing is sleek. I'm talking brushed stainless steel, minimalist design, and a modern aesthetic that fits perfectly in any contemporary kitchen. It just looks right at home in a modern kitchen, blending in effortlessly with other high-end appliances. But the real magic happens inside. The June oven is packed with advanced technology that takes the guesswork out of cooking. The June oven is all about taking the guesswork out of cooking. Imagine never having to worry about overcooking or undercooking your meals again. It's got a built-in camera that recognizes different types of food and automatically adjusts the cooking settings. This means you can cook a variety of dishes perfectly every time. You can even watch your food cook in real time through the app. It's like having a front row seat to your own cooking show. Speaking of the app, it's super intuitive. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to navigate and control the oven. You can browse recipes, preheat the oven, and even control the temperature all from your phone. It's like having a sous chef right in your pocket, ready to assist you at any moment. It's like having a sous chef right in your pocket. The convenience and control it offers are unparalleled. And let's talk about the cooking performance. The June oven delivers consistent results. Whether you're roasting vegetables, baking cookies, or even air frying, it's incredibly versatile. The June oven delivers consistent results whether you're roasting vegetables, baking cookies, or even air frying. It's incredibly versatile. You can trust it to handle a wide range of cooking tasks with ease. However, no tech is perfect. The June oven does come with a premium price tag. It's definitely an investment. The June oven does come with a premium price tag. It's definitely an investment. But for those who are serious about their cooking and want the best tools at their disposal, it might just be worth it. And because of its size, it might not be the best fit for large families or those who frequently cook large meals. If you often find yourself preparing food for a crowd, you might need something with a bit more capacity. But if you're looking for a smart oven that can elevate your cooking game and don't mind splurging a bit, the June oven is definitely worth considering. It's a blend of technology and culinary art that can transform your kitchen experience. Next up is the Tavala Smart Oven, a revolutionary kitchen appliance that's changing the way we think about cooking. And this one's a bit different from your typical smart oven. It's not just about convenience, it's about transforming your entire cooking experience. It's not just a smart oven, it's an entire meal kit system designed to simplify your life. Imagine having a personal chef at your disposal, but without the hefty price tag. The Tavala Smart Oven works seamlessly with their meal kit subscription service, making it easier than ever to prepare delicious meals at home. They deliver pre-portioned ingredients and scannable recipe cards directly to your door. No more guessing measurements or hunting for recipes. All you have to do is scan the card, pop the food in the oven, and the Tavala takes care of the rest. It's like having a sous chef who never makes mistakes. It automatically adjusts the time, temperature, and even the cooking mode to perfectly cook your meal. Whether it's baking, broiling, or steaming, the Tavala has got you covered. And the best part? The food actually tastes great. You get restaurant-quality meals without ever leaving your home. Tavala offers a variety of meal options, from healthy salads to gourmet pizzas, catering to different tastes and dietary preferences, all crafted by professional chefs who know how to balance flavors and create dishes that are both nutritious and delicious. But here's the catch. You're locked into their meal kit subscription service to unlock the full potential of this oven. This means you'll need to commit to regular deliveries. That means recurring costs and potentially limited menu options compared to cooking from scratch. It's something to consider if you like having complete control over your meals. So, if you're someone who values convenience, hates meal prepping, and enjoys exploring new recipes, the Tovala Smart Oven might be right up your alley. It's a game changer for busy individuals and families looking to enjoy home-cooked meals without the hassle. Chapter 3. Brava Oven, the speed cooker of the future. Now let's talk speed. The Brava Oven is all about getting food on the table fast. It uses a unique combination of light and heat to cook food incredibly quickly, often up to 5 times faster than traditional methods. Imagine cooking a steak in minutes or roasting a whole chicken in under half an hour. The Brava Oven makes it possible. It's perfect for those nights when you need a quick and delicious meal. The Brava Oven also comes with a library of pre-programmed recipes, and their app provides step-by-step instructions and even video tutorials. However, there is a learning curve. Mastering the Brava Oven's unique cooking technology takes some practice, and similar to the June oven, it comes with a hefty price tag. But if you're a gadget enthusiast who values speed and efficiency in the kitchen, the Brava Oven might be worth checking out. Chapter 4. Whirlpool Smart Oven, Seamless Smart Home Integration. If you're deep into the smart home ecosystem, the Whirlpool Smart Oven is right up your alley. This oven is all about seamless integration and voice control. The Whirlpool Smart Oven connects to your Wi-Fi and can be controlled remotely using your smartphone or even your voice assistant. Imagine preheating your oven from your couch or checking on your food while you're out running errands. It also boasts a ton of other smart features, like scan-to-cook technology that automatically adjusts cooking settings based on the barcode of your food. However, all this technology comes with a learning curve. The sheer number of features and settings can be overwhelming for some users. And again, this level of convenience doesn't come cheap. But if you're looking for a smart oven that integrates seamlessly into your smart home and simplifies your cooking routine, the Whirlpool Smart Oven is a solid contender. Chapter 5. Anova Precision Oven, Mastering the Art of Sous Vide Cooking. Finally, we have the Anova Precision Oven, a favorite among home cooks and professional chefs alike. This innovative appliance has revolutionized the way we approach cooking, making it easier and more precise than ever before. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a culinary novice, the Anova Precision Oven offers a range of features that can elevate your cooking game. This oven excels at precision cooking, especially sous vide. With its advanced technology, you can set exact temperatures and cooking times, ensuring that your food is cooked to perfection every single time. No more guesswork or overcooked meals, just perfectly prepared dishes. For those unfamiliar, sous vide is a cooking method that involves sealing food in a vacuum-sealed bag and immersing it in a water bath. The food is then cooked at a precise, consistent temperature for an extended period. This method locks in flavors and nutrients, resulting in dishes that are both delicious and healthy. This results in incredibly tender and evenly cooked food. Imagine a steak that's perfectly medium rare from edge to edge, or vegetables that retain their vibrant color and crispness. The sous vide method ensures that every bite is as good as the last. The Anova Precision Oven takes the guesswork out of sous vide cooking. With its intuitive controls and precise settings, you can achieve restaurant-quality results without leaving your home. It's like having a professional chef guiding you through each step of the process. It has a built-in water tank and precise temperature control, allowing you to achieve professional-level results at home. The water tank ensures that the cooking environment remains consistent, while the temperature control lets you fine-tune your cooking to the exact degree. But it's not just a one-trick pony. The Anova Precision Oven is incredibly versatile, offering a range of cooking functions that go beyond sous vide. Whether you're baking, roasting, or steaming, this oven can handle it all with ease. The Anova Precision Oven also functions as a steamer, slow cooker, and even a dehydrator. It's incredibly versatile. You can steam vegetables to perfection, slow cook a hearty stew, or dehydrate fruits for a healthy snack, all with the same appliance. However, like any high-end appliance, the Anova Precision Oven requires some maintenance. Regular upkeep ensures that it continues to perform at its best, providing you with reliable and consistent results. The water tank needs to be cleaned regularly, and the steam function can be a bit finicky at times. But with a little care and attention, these minor issues can be easily managed. But if you're serious about cooking and want an oven that can handle everything from sous vide to steaming, the Innova Precision Oven is worth the investment. Its versatility, precision, and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any kitchen, helping you create culinary masterpieces with confidence. That's it for today's video on the top AI ovens of 2023. From sleek designs to innovative features, these ovens are changing the way we cook. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to simplify your life in the kitchen, there's an AI oven out there for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. Let me know in the comments which AI oven you'd like to see a full in-depth review on.